Hey, I didn't mean to interrupt you, but even though this is a shorter course, I thought it might be worth it for us to take a quick break together. In this break, I want to show you a very handy and useful utility tool. This is a way to speed up videos. I don't mean the built-in feature of many of different websites. I mean using it. It's an extension that helps us to speed up videos to any speed that we want. So here I'm going to go to Google and search for video, a speed controller. There are many different videos with controllers. The one I'm using in particular is actually called the Video Speed Controller, as written by Joggle Rick. Or something to that effect. The advantage of this particular extension is that, for instance, if I go to a video on YouTube, I can see on the top left that she tells me the current speed is being played. And if I want to change that, I can use the hots of the mouse. So as I'm holding the D then on my keyboard, this speed keeps going up, so I can basically keep pushing it up to whatever speed that they want. And then at any point they wanted to drop it back, I press this button again to drop this speed to a normal speed. This is a very handy tool. They use it all the time when I'm watching videos, or even when I'm watching this, instruction, or any other kind of topic on YouTube. So I would really recommend that you get yourself something like this. And once you're good, this continue.